So in northern Sweden, the temperatures get down to, you know, -30. Last year we had -37. The squirrels are active throughout winter. Some animals hibernate, but in autumn the squirrels will gain 30% of their fat reserve, so they get really big and that helps them survive. And they also do something incredible called caching. They actually collect food and they bury it into the ground, and then during winter they come back to those food stores, and so they will collect mushrooms and dry them out on a branch, and then in the winter they'll have all this extra food for them to eat. The red squirrels are quite funny and charismatic, and they're quite easy to photograph, which is great. I recognise the squirrels by their coloration or their size or even their behaviour. So generally I've noticed that females are a bit bigger and they're a bit more ginger, and then the male squirrels are a bit more like a blue-grey, and young squirrels I can tell because they're much smaller. So as soon as I started to be in this forest, it was known to me that the owner is interested in cutting it down. And so for a few years I sort of wondered how I could own it or sort of protect the forest and protect this habitat for the squirrels. And so I made a crowdfunding campaign in November, and it was crazy. Within 4 hours the forest was fully funded, and within a week I got double the funding almost. And so I realised the power of community and how much people are interested in saving a place because they see it online, and they grow attached to the squirrels that I photograph and the names I give them, and I share their stories, and people from all across the world were interested in also helping me protect the squirrels and the forest.